Hello traders, this is Fawad Razakzada, market analyst for City Index, and today we're looking at the currency markets with the dollar remaining under pressure across the board ahead of the Fed's meeting on Wednesday. This week we also have lots of other central bank meetings, including the Bank of England on Thursday. But we're looking at the euro dollar first of all because it's continuing to shrug off concerns about the political situation in France, with the euro dollar rising above 117 handle in the last couple of days. It has broken out of this consolidation pattern, as you can see on the daily chart, and it looks like it is headed towards the July high of 118.30 from here. Interim resistance comes in at around 117.80, which marks last week's high basically. Now if we get above 118.30 and we hold above it, then there's little further resistance seen until the 120 handle with 119 potentially offering some resistance as well. On the downside, 117 is now the key support level to watch, given that it was resistance in the past. Below that we have the area shaded in blue on the chart at around 115.60 to 116.20, where we also have the bullish trend line converging as well. So that's the line in the sand for me insofar as the short-term bullish price structure is concerned on the euro dollar. Now the cable faces a very busy week. We have the FOMC meeting followed by the Bank of England rate decision, and ahead of all of that we have some UK economic data including wages and CPI earlier in the week. Heading into the Bank of England meeting, with the Bank of England likely to keep interest rates unchanged at this meeting. In fact, the market is not expecting any more rate cuts from the Bank of England this year, with only about 10 basis points of rate cuts expected for the remainder of the year. So that will change obviously depending on the outcome of data, in particular inflation data and wages data, which is key insofar as the Bank of England is concerned. Now looking at the chart of the cable, the path of least resistance clearly remains to the upside given the overall bullish price structure. Now previously the cable had found resistance between 135.40 to 135.80, this shaded region here, which has now been taken out. Now if we climb above this area on a daily closing basis, then a rounded retest of the zone later on in the week could potentially provide a tradable bounce, leading to a potential push towards the July high of 137.88, which is now going to be the main target insofar as the short term is concerned. Above that we have 140 as the next key psychologically important level. Now then, for more market updates and insights, make sure to check out the news and analysis section at cityindex.com. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.